Hi, Terry Freeburn. The Peterborough real estate market's been crazy. Watch as Jeff and I review the market stats for last month.
Hi, I'm Jeff Clark.
Yeah, and I'm Terry Freeburn, and we're with the real estate company Buy and Sell here in Peterborough. So we just wanted to talk to you about the market in Peterborough. It's just been, all I can say is wow, it's been crazy. So with prices going up higher than they've ever been in 1 month alone. So just looking at the market stats here in Peterborough, the average sale price in the city is now at $519,895, almost $520,000. It's up about 16.7% year over year. And in the country, it's way up. It's about 45% up year over year. A lot of that would be because of $1 million property selling on the lakes that have kind of increased the overall average sale price. But the average sale price right now in the country is $748,000.
Yeah, it's been a real challenge, I guess, even us being in real estate, trying to keep ahead of all of this. But to go along with what Terry's saying about this pricing, we have two big factors I think right now that are driving that. One of them is just looking at the inventory. So for the first time in a long time, I think Terry would agree with me, we've got the city and the country now both sitting at 1 month worth of inventory. So again, if there was no more houses coming on the market, it would only take 1 month for us to exhaust the current supply.
At the current sales. Yeah.
Right, so when you tie that in with the record-setting interest rates right now, it really starts to make sense and form a picture for us.
Yeah, and everybody thought with the COVID thing that the prices were gonna drop, but really what happened was the supply dropped as well as the demand, kind of the whole thing dropped at the same, but the number of houses for sale actually dropped further than the demand. I think there was a built up demand of people that were wanting to move and buy houses, and now they're out there in the market doing it, but there's still a hold off of a number of people that have said, well, I really don't want to sell right now because of the COVID thing, and maybe I'll wait to see how next year goes. So that's tightened up the market.
Yeah, and one of the last thing here for us is just the overall number of sales in both the city and the country in the month of September. Fairly consistent in the city, sitting at 125. I think that was very close to what we had the previous month. And then for the country, it's down just a little bit, but still fairly similar to what we had last month.
The issues that are in the marketplace today is if you have a house to sell before you buy one, and that's a big issue with a lot of people, because there's no way you're going to be able to probably go out, find the house that you like, put an offer in conditional on your house selling, because it won't work because of the multiple offer situation that's been happening. And Jeff can tell you a little bit about some experience.
Yeah, it's I've fortunately or unfortunately been involved in quite a few offers in the last few weeks. So just to summarize it for you, we're back in that situation where most of the agents are underpricing the houses when they come on the market. We're holding offers. Terry and I are both seeing that now. Most of them are holding offers for at least a week.
So if they value a house at $450 or something, they're pricing it down in the 300s to try and get more people interested in bringing offers, even though they're not going to sell it for that.
No, exactly. And just to give you an example, a week and a half ago, I had a client. We tried to buy a house. It was listed at $385,000. Of course, I knew it was underpriced. Ended up with 19 offers, folks, and sold for $100,000 over that list price. So
yeah, it's very frustrating, and for a lot of buyers, if they're out there looking for a home, and you find something you really like, and then you find out it's sold for over your budget because you were looking at a house that was maybe priced at $399, but it's going to sell for $450 or more. So that's where your agent comes in, because they have to advise you when they see those listings come up as to what the realistic sale price is probably going to end up being. And then the day when the offers are due to be presented, if there's like no other offers, then hey, away you go. But that's not happening. There's usually more offers on the property, so it's driving the price up, right?
Yeah, and so in closing, for all of, especially for the people who are considering perhaps selling their house, or if you're just curious about where the value might lie right now, you're welcome to visit our website at peterboroughhomevalues.com. We'll send you out a current market analysis on your house, or you can also give us a call here at the office.
You can message us or text
visit us on Facebook, and Terry and I would be more than happy to discuss that with you.
Yeah, peterboroughomevalues.com, and we'll send you. We customize those CMAs; they're not computerized ones.
Exactly.
So we look at your property and send it right out. So there's no cost or obligation. But if you want to have a chat with us, give us a call. Our office number is 705-749-2488.
Yeah, perfect. Thanks for joining us today, guys.
Take care.